In this YouTube video, I will guide you through the process of downloading and installing Windows 10. Whether you are upgrading from an older version of Windows or installing it for the first time, I will provide clear step-by-step instructions to make the installation smooth and hassle-free. Join me as I walk you through the essential setup steps and ensure you have Windows 10 up and running on your computer. Don't miss this comprehensive guide to installing one of the most popular operating systems. Watch the video now and get your system up to date with Windows 10. To download and install Windows 10, Step 1. Visit the Microsoft website. Step 2. Download the Media Creation tool. Step 3. Run the tool and select Upgrade this PC now or create installation media for another PC. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a bootable USB drive or download the Windows 10 installation files. Step 5. Insert the USB drive or run the downloaded files. Step 6. Follow the installation prompts, entering your product key if prompted. Step 7. Choose your installation preferences and complete the setup process. Step 8. Windows 10 will be installed on your PC.